Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to attach a toggle clasp to a bracelet that you have. This is an old bracelet. I wish it didn't say hottie, but it does, and it's an old bracelet that I made a long time ago. I would put something more Christian on it now, but anyways, I'm going to teach you how to do that. So what you're going to do, what you're going to need are some flat nose pliers. So I have these. I love them. They come from Exuron, but they're like so good. Okay, so I have the end. You get the end of your bracelet that you finished. You open that open loop. Make sure it's not a wire wrapped loop. You can do wire wrapped loop. It's just harder to remember for me anyways. And then put your the smaller, see there's a large one and the small loop. Put the small loop through that open loop. Close the loop. Now do the same thing on the other side. Open the loop. Place on that middle hoop. Close the loop. And there you go. Please check out an Etsy shop that sells these toggle clasps. I'll put the link down below. Alright, I hope you guys learned how to do this toggle clasping. Let me show you. I never showed you. Let's see. Let's do it now. I love this toggle clasp. It is so secure and it works so well. I hope you guys liked watching this tutorial. Have a great day. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye-bye.